Hello everyone. So let's again start discussing our data handling chapter. We have already discussed in 3 of our videos the introduction part and mean. Okay, mean means average. Now in this video, which is the fourth part, let's discuss one more topic, that is range. Now, when we see data, when we see number of observations, we decide its range. You must have heard people, when you go for shopping for something, then the shopkeeper or the salesman, they might ask you that what is your range, so that we can show you the stuff accordingly, right? So if you want to gift someone, and again the shopkeeper may ask you that, sir, what would be your range, or in which range would you like to go? Means they are asking the lowest or the highest value that you can afford or you can spend on particular item, right? So that is what exactly the range mean. So range is again the representative value. What is range? It's again one of the representative values of the data. I'll explain you how it is representative value. See, for example, there are, let's say, two class, okay, class A and class B. Let's say there are two classes, class A and class B. Now, let's say the teachers have taken test of 50 marks, right? Now, in class A, the number of students, they got the result, and in B also they got the result. Let's say in B, the minimum marks the students got is 10, and the maximum marks that the students have got, the maximum marks is, let's say, 40 or 42. Okay. In case of class B, the minimum marks the students have got is, let's say, 30, and the maximum marks, if they count, then that can be 45. So from this data itself, we can say that class A may contain below average students and class B contains above average students or the excellent students, right? So here from this range means first we decided the lowest value and the highest value. I'll just come over the topic that what exactly is range. And then in B class also we decided the lowest and highest value. So by deciding the lowest and highest value, we get the information. We can decide certain thing, okay? And that's why we can say that range is representative value. Now, as I said, that in range we decide the lowest and the highest value. So what exactly range is? So range is defined as the difference between, see, this is very important, difference between the highest and the lowest observation. So in case of A class, 42 minus 10, right? So 32 is your range of the marks. In case of class B, 45 minus 30, that is 15 is the range of the class. Okay, range of the marks, right? So it gives you idea of the spread of the observation, means uh, in which number the observations are spread. What is the range of the data? Okay, and range is found by subtracting the lowest observation from the highest observation, right? Range is nothing but difference. Difference means minus between the highest value and the lowest value. All right, तो range क्या होता है? रेंज एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वैल्यू है डेटा में. क्यों रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वैल्यू है? क्योंकि उससे हम काफी सारी चीजें डिसाइड करते हैं. रेंज हमें कैसे मिलती है? तो सबसे पहले हमें लोवेस्ट वैल्यू और हाईएस्ट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ती है. उसके बाद हमें हाईएस्ट में से लोवेस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है, तब जाके हमें रेंज मिलती है. तो ये रेंज की हुई आपकी फॉर्मूला. सो जब भी आपको रेंज का क्वेश्चन आए तो आपको इस तरह से फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल. डेटा से हमें कौन सी चीजें मिल सकती है वो हम देखते हैं अभी. द एज ऑफ 10 टीचर्स आर ऑफ अ स्कूल आर this. Okay, so these are the ages of the teachers in years. Okay, और वो कितने टीचर्स हैं? 10 टीचर्स हैं, राइट? तो आपको काउंट नहीं करना है कि ये कितने टीचर्स हैं, ऊपर दिया ही है आपको, so that you can divide by 10 if you want to find out mean. Okay, so these are the information you can use. Okay, you don't have to count them. All right. So now there are certain questions given that you have to give from these data collection. That first is, what is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? That's the first question. All right. Next question is, what is the range of the ages of the teacher? Okay. Then the third question is, what is the mean age? Third question आपको पूछा गया है, mean age क्या है? तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है कि ये जो given data है, if you see they are not organized, वो बिल्कुल भी organized नहीं है. See, ये तो छोटे numbers हैं, मतलब 10 numbers ही हैं, 10 observations ही हैं, इसलिए आपसे आपके लिए शायद lowest और oldest value find out करना easy हो जाए. But still एक habit हमेशा रखनी चाहिए. We always, you know, arrange the numbers in some order, either ascending or descending, whatever comfortable to you. Okay, so first we have to arrange the data in particular order. So here I have arranged them in ascending order. By arranging them in ascending order, I've got this number. Okay, right? So see, why ascending order? Because I can easily find out the lowest value, that is 23, and the highest value, that is 54. So it becomes very easy to tell that the age of the oldest teacher is 54, right? Because that's the highest value. And the age of the youngest teacher is 23, because that's the lowest value in the given data. All right? So first question का इस तरह से आंसर मिल जाएगा. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, आपको पूछा है रेंज क्या है, तो रेंज हमें पता है कि रेंज की फॉर्मूला क्या है, हाईएस्ट माइनस लोएस्ट, जो कि हमें ऊपर मिल गई है, राइट? तो इससे हमें ये भी चीज मिल जाती है. डेटा को अरेंज करने से ये एक और बेनिफिट होता है कि हमें ये जो रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, तब इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी. यू जस्ट पुट हाईएस्ट वैल्यू, दैट्स दिस 54, राइट? And then minus 23, that's this value. That is, while arranging in ascending data जो हमें मिली है वो. तो इस तरह से हमें years मिल गए, range मिल गई 31 years. मतलब कि 31 में age घूम रही है ये पूरी, ये जितने भी numbers available है वो कम से कम जो है वो 23 है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 54 है. तो मतलब 31 is the range of the age. Okay? Then third question is mean. मीन आपको पूछा गया है, उनके एजेस का मीन पूछा गया है. मीन हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है कि सम ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. यहाँ पे सम ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं लिखना है बिकॉज हमें पता है कि ऑब्जर्वेशन एग्जैक्टली है क्या, एजेस का ऑब्जर्वेशन है. सो विल जस्ट राइट डाउन सम ऑफ द एजेस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स. सो दिस इज हाउ यू राइट डाउन देम. ओके, जिस तरह से आपने अरेंज किया है असेंडिंग में, बस वही आपको लेके रख देना है. डिवाइडेड बाय 10, 350 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 years, तो 35 years. सो 35 years इज योर मीन एज ऑफ द टीचर्स. ऑलराइट, तो ये हमने देखा रेंज के बारे में. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक का 3.1 का फर्स्ट सम जो है वो रेंज पर ही डिपेंडेंट है, मीन्स इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द रेंज ओनली. आपको पूछा गया है फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ द हाइट्स ऑफ एनी 10 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर क्लास. मतलब आपको इमेजिन करनी है कोई भी 10 नंबर्स, हाइट पूछी है, मतलब नेचुरली इट वुड बी एनीवेयर बिटवीन 100 to 150 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंगली आप रेंज मतलब नंबर्स डिसाइड करो. पहले रैंडमली 10 नंबर्स लिख दो which should be anywhere between 100 to 150, okay, centimeter. Again, you have to mention that. And then you follow the above method which I have just shown for the range. Means जब भी रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी है तो सबसे पहले हमें डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है. कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे? by putting them in ascending order. Once we put them in ascending order, we'll easily get the lowest value and the highest value. Then by applying the formula of range, we can easily find out range. All right. So it's very easy, super easy. You can do on your own, right? If you don't understand, I'll give you the solution. All right. So in next video, we'll talk about mean and range both together. All right.